But it's fine.
I got a pen. I need to right now. Well, whatever. That's what she said. That's what he said.
Oh, it's Earth. That's pretty cool.
Whoa.
Okay, now this is cool.
Kind of like this one and this one looks more complex than that one. That one looks really simple.
I bet I can pierce my hair with this earring.
Here to here.
Huh?
Either like that one
Mine had like 3 planets in the background.
Hey, after you're done with the book, can I see it? Or is anyone else involved? I'm flying first. So we play some of this time.
Yeah, I don't know.
You want this one?
You want this one?
You want this one? And you want that one? And I want that one.
So we can come back when he's done.